Area and perimeter. To know about it, let us take example of daily life. So you'll be playing in the park and something suddenly pops out into your mind. You'll be wondering what would be the length of the fence of the park. To know about it, let us take example of geometrical figures. So what exactly perimeter means? So the sum of the four sides of an enclosed figure is known as perimeter. So the first example is rectangle. The rectangle properties say that the opposite sides are equal. This is length and this is breadth. So the sum of the four sides is called as perimeter. The perimeter of the rectangle is 2 times L plus B. The formula is very simple. The proof is very simple. It's length plus breadth plus length plus breadth. Sum of the four sides. So it is length plus breadth plus breadth. It is 2 times length plus 2 times breadth. Take 2 common out and L plus B. So this is the formula to find perimeter of a rectangle. So what would be the area of the rectangle? So it is length into breadth. Let us understand with an example. Example 1. So I'm going to take length as 5 meters and breadth as 3 meters. So let us draw the figure. So the length is 5 and the breadth is 3. So the perimeter of the rectangle is 2 times L plus B. So it is 2 times 5 plus 3. 2 times 8. It is 16 meter. So the area of the rectangle is length into breadth. Sometimes they would give width in place of breadth. Both are same. So L is 5 and B is 3. 5 into 3, 15 meters square. So the next example is square. In the square, all the four sides are equal. So it is like S plus S plus S plus S. So the perimeter of the square is 4S. So the area of the square is S into S. S square. Let us take an example. So the side of the square is given as, so the side of the square is 8. It is 4 times 8, that is 32 meter. So the area of the square is S into S, 8 into 8, that is 64 meters square. So these are the few questions related to perimeter and area. So the third question is, a garden is shaped like a rectangle with length 12 meter and width 8 meter. So they asked us to find perimeter and area. So what is the perimeter of rectangle? So it is 2 times L plus W. W means width. So it is 2 times 12 plus 8. 2 times 20. So it is 40 meter. So the area of the rectangle is L into W. So it is 12 into 8, that is 96 meters square. So the next question is, a square playground has each side of 15 meter. Find its perimeter and area. The side of the square is given as 15 meters. So the perimeter of the square is 4s. Just now we derived it. So it is 4 times 15. 60 meters. So what would be the area of the square? It is side into side. Side square. 15 into 15. That's 225 meters square. So this is the next question and I'm going to give this as homework. So comment down the answer. The question is very simple. The length is given and the width is given. You just have to find the perimeter and area. So comment down the answer. Thank you.